Welcome to Why Voices, the place where young adults come to learn how to invest in the stock market and sometimes just get a little wisdom from the elders. Today we're going to just jump into a couple uh, stocks that I think that you guys need to know about. Let's talk about gold and silver. Gold and silver. Let's just take a quick trip into the world of investing. It's nothing complicated. Uh, there's nothing boring. I just want to talk about just two stocks today. Ticker symbol GLD and ticker symbol SVM. Gold and silver. Um, I think this is a time that we need to start thinking about putting these type of companies in your portfolio. Let's look at tickers symbol GLD. The gold is called the gold. You don't have to carry around ticker symbol GLD. You don't have to carry, real gold bars around. You know what I mean? But without hassle or any conflict, you can just buy this type of gold and sell it. Okay? You can buy it and sell it just like you do stocks. Okay? Ticker symbol GLD uh, is equal to the SPDR gold shares, an ETF that tracks the price of gold. When gold goes up, GLD goes up. Okay? Yeah, when gold goes up, GLD goes up. Okay? It's used as a safety zone. Like when the markets is shady or the market's going up and down, is real volatile. This is a particular item that you need to have in your portfolio. It's going to keep you steady. And young investors, you like this one because it's simple. You're investing in the idea that gold stays valuable over time. Gold is going to always be around. Okay? And then let's look at that other ticker symbol, SVM, which is silver. The company is called Silver Corp Metals. Uh, This is it's a mining company. This company is a mining company that pulls silver, zinc, and lead out of the ground. And what I like about this particular company, it's in all kind of electronic devices, you got to have silver. Okay, solar panels, you got to have silver. Batteries, you got to have silver. Medical equipment, medical technology, you have to have silver. So I just brought these two companies up to let you guys know that these companies are going to be around. These are a couple of companies that you guys need to start putting in your portfolio. And we're going to look this one up on the chart, go on the charts real quick with this one today. Let's look at the silver one first. Okay, let's look at the silver one on the charts today. If we look at 1 year ago, we'll see that ticker symbol SVO 1 year ago was about $14 a share at the high. It was down to $7.95 a share. 6 months ago, You can still see the high of $14 a share. We saw a low back there of $4.28. Okay, that was just 6 months ago. 3 months ago, you still got that high of $14. Okay, that went up to $5.77, climbed all the way up to 14. And then 1 month ago, we still see a high of $14. We saw it start to come back down last month, and then today, one day we see it's been running. What was that, last Friday? I think today is Sunday. A couple days ago, it ran sideways all day, and I think it closed out at $10.50 a share. The reason I'm bringing this one up to you guys right now is because I think it's something that needs to be in your portfolio. This one needs to be in your portfolio as you build them out. And over the years to come, this is going to be a valuable asset in your portfolio. Okay? All right, now we're going to go ahead and look at another one here that I like. See if I can pull it up real quick. Another one there. Gold. See if I can pull this one up real quick. Get it on the chart for you guys. There it is right there. Yeah, there it is. Gold. This one here. Now you guys know gold. And I want you guys to think about it like this. You can invest in gold. You don't have to have the physical bars, but you guys can invest in gold. And this is another one you guys can start buying fractional shares now. And let's just go back and look at it real quick. 6 months ago, we had a high of $514.50. That was about 6 months ago. You can trace that back. We had a low of 305. 3 months ago, we still had the high of 514. You can see how it crashed down right here to about $456 a share. A month ago, it crashed all the way down a month ago down to $404.34 at an all-time low. I mean, for a low for a while there, but then it started to climb back up. And then we see 5 days ago, actually, we have a high of $468 that it would have went to the high about 5 days ago. But then 1 day ago, if you look on the charts, it went down. It started going back down, and it came down to $456.93, and then I think it ended the week roughly around 456.13. We're now into the weekend. I think this is going to have some room to run in the future. If you guys catch this around let it dip back down into the 400s, the low 400s. Y'all see this gold dip down into the low 400s. I would start putting that in your portfolio. I want you guys to continue to buy on the dip on both of these, but both of these are great companies. I just want to mention the gold. Y'all already know that gold is something that's been with America for years, but the silver, that SVM company that we talked about earlier, you can get that real cheap right now. And this is like a long-term play. I want you guys to start putting gold and silver in your portfolios. Now, this is not financial advice, but these type of plays, you need to put them in your portfolio. It kind of helps you out when the market goes down and it goes up, you make money. When it goes down, it's going to hold you steady in the future. If you like these type of videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, helps the algorithm. I love you guys. I'll be talking to you guys soon.